Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking about filtering data in Excel spreadsheet. I am going to give you 3 examples of filtering. What you see here is a table about the ranking of states based on the cost of living, the average cost of living. Let's assume a person is interested to see ranking of these states based on the cost of housing. So how do you do that? Well, basically you select data. I have it already selected, but if you are in a different tab, then you just go to data and you click on it, and you need to make sure that you click on one of the cells in your header here. This is an important thing to do. Any one of the cells in your header. Then you click on filter. Once you do that, as you see here, every cell in your header will have an arrow, as you see here. So I click on this arrow and then I select to sort the list from smallest to largest. So I click on that, and as you see here, the numbers go from small value all the way to the bottom to the highest value, and that's your ranking. See here the numbers, they are not incrementing as before because this ranking of states is based on the cost of housing. Okay, and you can do the same thing on other columns. So this was a simple example. All right, let's go to the next example. Let's assume this is what a bookstore in a university uses. So let's say that somebody is interested to see the books that were sold to sophomore students that are studying engineering. So you see here it's very specific filtering. He wants to see books sold to sophomore students that are in engineering. So let me zoom out here. So you go to class year and we want sophomore students, so you unselect this item, so everything is unselected, and then you only select sophomore. Okay, and as you see here, only books that were sold to sophomore students are showing on this table. The next filter is to go to general subject and select everything and select just engineering and hit OK. And now I only have books sold to sophomore students in engineering. Okay, how do I unfilter and get back to my previous table? Well, you just click on this arrow and click on clear filter, and I cleared this column. Hope you see that. Let me zoom out and then click on the arrow and then click on clear filter, and now I am back to my previous table. So that's how you filter on more than just one column. Let's go to the next example. This is quite an interesting example. Let's assume I have a list, as you see here, of people that are invited to a wedding. Could be a long list. Now, if a person is interested to see only people with the last name Vincent, as you see here on this list, I have 5 last names, 5 families. If you want to filter on only people with the last name Vincent, how you do that? Okay, so if I go click on this arrow, as you see here, the whole list shows up. So it's not that I can select or unselect, because all the names here or all the entries are different, although they have the same last name. But this is Scott Vincent, this is Tanya Vincent. So what I do, let me zoom out so it would be easy to see. Okay, so I click on the arrow. As you see here, there is a search box, and I go there and I enter the last name Vincent. Click OK, and as you see, only people with the last name Vincent are in this table. Everything else is hidden. I can go and filter more and see only people who are attending the wedding. So I unselect and click only on attending. Click OK, and as you see here, that's my list. Hope that this tutorial was helpful, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much.